When Daniel moved to London with a brand new UK account and big dreams, he believed success would come fast. He had watched countless videos promising financial freedom, side hustles, and passive income. But reality hit him harder than expected. His first job paid just enough to cover rent, transport, and food. Every month felt like a battle. Saving even £100 seemed like a victory. Still, Daniel had one goal in mind: reach his first $100,000, around £80,000. It sounded impossible, but he refused to give up. He started small. He tracked every expense, cut unnecessary spending, and picked up a second job on weekends. Nights were long, and exhaustion became normal. While his friends enjoyed life, Daniel stayed focused. There were moments when he questioned everything: is this even worth it? Years passed. Slowly, painfully, his savings grew. £5,000, £12,000, £25,000. Each milestone felt huge, but the journey was brutally hard. Unexpected expenses, inflation, and setbacks kept pushing him back. At one point, he lost a chunk of savings in a bad investment. That nearly broke him. But Daniel didn't quit. Instead, he learned. He started understanding how money actually works: investing, compound growth, and smart risk-taking. He stopped chasing shortcuts and focused on consistency. Finally, after years of discipline, sacrifices, and struggle, he did it. He hit $100,000. But something strange happened next. The pressure disappeared. Daniel noticed his money was now working for him. Investments started generating returns. His skills had improved, leading to better job opportunities and higher income. What once felt impossible now seemed easier. The next $100,000 came much faster. Why? Because the hardest part was never the money. It was building the habits, discipline, and mindset. Once Daniel became the kind of person who could save and grow $100,000, repeating the process became natural. He no longer struggled with spending. He knew where to invest. He understood patience. Within a few years, Daniel doubled his wealth. Then it grew even more. Looking back, he realized the truth. The first $100,000 is brutally hard because it requires changing your life. It demands sacrifice, discipline, and persistence when there are no visible rewards. But the next $100,000 is surprisingly easy, because by then, you have already changed yourself. And that changes everything.